Hi guys, today we will checking out a different type of gaming controller. Right here, we have the TD Element Somatosensory gaming controller. It is a gaming controller which uses motion sensory to detect and control movements in compatible games. The packaging looks minimalist and compact. Let's proceed to check out what is inside the retail packaging. Inside the box, you will find one TD Element Somatosensory gaming controller, packed nicely in a dedicated foam slot. It is available in black too, which looks really sleek too. On first impressions, the TD Element gaming controller looks really chic and modern in white. Just look at the buttons in rose gold, they look exquisite and shiny. At the base of the controller, there is a USB-C charging port for users to recharge the device when battery is low. At the back, there will be a clip for me to clip on the gaming controller onto my shorts for use during gaming sessions. Pretty ergonomic design with a clip-on design for ease of usage. The black variant looks really sleek and minimalist with its design. To power up the device, simply press the power on button to get it powered up. Once powered up, the blue flashing LED will light up, signaling it is ready to connect with my device over Bluetooth. Easy to operate and set up. Now, to connect, simply go over to your phone settings, like what I am doing now on my device. Just head over to the Bluetooth settings, search for the MD Magic device, which is the TD Element's Bluetooth name. Hit the pair button and it will connect automatically to the TD Element. There is no driver required for connecting the TD Element to your smartphone. Now before use, I will clip on the TD Element device to my pants to start playing a compatible game with the TD Element. Before use on your games, you can download the Octopus Gaming Assistant easily rechargeable. Simply plug in any USB-C cable and connect it to power. The TD Element gaming device will recharge and get me ready for the next round of gaming. There are mechanical keys like A, B and X, Y, for me to manually input game controls when I need to. Great. Overall, the design of the TD Element Somatosensory gaming controller is really compact, and easy to store and bring around. I can bring it with me when I go over to a friend's place and invite them to join me in a fun session of somatosensory gaming. Overall, I find the TD Element gaming controller a good innovation for people like me who don't really do much sports to have a chance to get moving and exercise while at the same time having fun at games. A great tool to lose weight in a fun way. It helps combine sports and games into a gaming controller. The TD Element gaming controller, find out more in the description. Thank you for watching.